Before we move to the lesson, I just want to bring your attention to this summary sheet on phonics, on my version of phonics, so don't hesitate to download it because I'm going to use it all along this course. But for now, to the lesson. C'est parti! Les nombres et l'âge. You should already know the numbers up to 31 from lesson 4, but here is a little reminder. So you already know 20, 20, 30, 30. Now let's look at the other three. 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60. Once you know those, it's rather easy. Remember to add et for the first of each tens. 21, 31, 41. And after that, just add the unit number preceded by a little dash. For example, 22, 33, 45, etc. For numbers from 70 to 99, first thing is to be confident with numbers from 10 to 19. Then simply add the tens or the units to the following. So we've got 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100, 100. And this is how you can break it down. We haven't made it easy, but it makes sense. So if you have a look to memorize the number 70 and what comes after, you have 60 plus the tens. So 70 is 60 10, 70, and then 71 is 71, 72, 13, 14, etc. For 80, this time you add the units. So you've got 80, 80, and then we add a unit. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, etc. And then for 90, the 90s, we're going to take 80, 80, and add tens. So 90, 91, 92, 93. And the last thing, to be very fussy, for 81 and 91, note that we don't have the little et that we have everywhere else. 21, 31, etc. 71, but then it stops after 80 and it doesn't appear either for 91. Next are two little tasks to test you on your learning of numbers. Either write your answers down or say them in your head or out loud. It's up to you. C'est parti! Quarante-deux, 42, 66, 66, 87, 87, 38, 38, 81, 81, 48, 48,
76, 76, 32, 32, 67, 67, 85, 85, 42, 66, 87, 38, 81, 48, 76, 32, 67, 85, Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? Je, j'ai, j'ai 26 ans. J'ai 43 ans. J'ai 74 ans. J'ai 32 ans. J'ai 28 ans. Quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 54 ans. Quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 23 ans. Quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 62 ans. Quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 36 ans. Quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 97 ans.
Les grands nombres. So you already know the number 100, 100. After that, you can go 200, 300, etc. Or add a number 110, 140, 272, etc. Note that an S is added to multiples of 100, but it disappears if units are added. What it means if you write the number 100, if there's no number after, if you write a round figure of 300, you will leave the S at the end of 100. But if you add a number after, you lose the S. Then we've got the number 1000, and again you can go 2000, 3000, 4000. Note that in French we don't say 1000 or 8000, we just say 1000. So in the example you have 1500, not 1500. The same goes with the number 100. We don't say 100, we say 100. We lose the article. And after that, there is 1 million, 2 millions, 3 millions, etc. 1 milliard, a billion, 2 milliards, 3 milliards, etc. 1 trillion, a trillion, 2 millions, 2 trillions, 3 trillions, etc. To understand how big numbers are formed in French, we need to go the other way around, if you like. So we start with this number, 24, and then we're going to add 500. So we've got 500 and then 24. Then we want to add 7,000. So we add it at the beginning, 7000, and then we still have 524. Then we add 47,000 this time, so we say 47,000 and then the rest. 47,524. And if you want to add hundreds of thousands, you put it at the beginning, 100, 47,524. As in English, there are two ways to mention long dates in French, full dates. Either you use 1900, 1900, or you decide to use hundreds and say 1900, 1900.
1979 1979 1979 2015 2015 2015 1987 1987 1987 1965 1965 1965 2003 2003 2003 1931 1931 1931 2019 2019 2019 1948 1948 1948 2014 2014 2014 1954 1954 1954 Quand es-tu né? Quand êtes-vous né? En quelle année es-tu né? En quelle année êtes-vous né? Je suis né en... Je suis né en... Quelle est ta date de naissance? Quelle est votre date de naissance? Ma date de naissance est le... Je suis né en... Quand êtes-vous né? Quelle est ta date de naissance? En quelle année êtes-vous né? Ma date de naissance est le... Quand es-tu né? Quelle est votre date de naissance? En quelle année es-tu né?
Well done, you've completed lesson 5. I've suggested a few follow-up tasks for you. Memorize numbers, practice saying your age and when you were born, and practice saying your date of birth. And all there is left for me to say now is au revoir et à bientôt for lesson 6.